G'day everybody. Well, another early morning rise here with the infamous OzBeach. Andy, how are you, buddy?
Good morning all. Nice to see you. Lovely morning out here with little Matt.
It is a spectacular morning. It really is. There's no wind. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Got a nice little sunrise up here. So once again, getting up in the middle of the night to come down to go get the sun popping up.
Tell me about it. I need my beauty sleep, as you can tell.
But Andy's out here, he's flying over the island now, Granite Island here at Victor Harbour, and he's just chucked it out there to get a little bit more footage before we nick off to the next location. We're headed off, I don't know, where are we? Second Valley. Yep, heading off to Second Valley. We're going to take some footage there, and Normanville, and a few other places too on the way through, so that'll be really good. So anyway, I'll leave it here for a sec, and I'll see you when we get to the next joint. Cheers. Okay, so we just finished it. Where are we, mate? I can't remember.
We're at the Hobart Memorial Site at Normanville.
Normanville, lovely spot too. Great place to pop the drones up. Light, nice cliffs and all that sort of stuff. If I pop it down there and have a bit of a look down there, look at that.
No, we're off to the bakery now.
Yeah, we are. We are off to the bakery. We are off to the bakery, but just let me tell you something about the bakery. I mean, you know, I get there this morning, I ring Andy yesterday and he goes, oh yeah, no, jump in my car, I'll take you down there. I say, yeah, all right mate, no worries. So I get down there and he comes down and he goes, I'm a pensioner, I couldn't fill my car up. So all right, we'll take my car with me. And now we were going to the bakery. Guess what? He goes, I forgot my wallet. It was in my car.
I'm sorry, Matt. I feel embarrassed about it, but don't worry. I can sit and watch you scoff a bloody kitchen of bun. That's all right.
So apparently now I've got to buy him breakfast with some shit. But anyway, we'll get by. We'll get past it. But yeah, anyway, great day. We might be going to one more spot. Not too sure. I can't remember. Are we? Yep. Okay, we've got one more spot to do. I've got another battery to burn. Okay, kids, this is what happens when we finish our day of droning. Check out that kitchen of bun. Kitchen of bun. Google it, folks. You're missing out if you haven't got one. Oh my God, look what Andy's got. It's a honey roll. Don't ever talk about my guts, Andy. And a couple of coffees, and I've got a passy in here, ready to rock and roll. It's a beautiful thing. Here we go. We've just finished the last flight of the day here again down in South Australia with OzBeach, and don't forget to whip over to Andy's site and check out some of the lovely stuff that he's got on there too. So I'd like to thank Andy once again for taking me around and showing me.
No worries, but next time bring your wallet.
Yeah, right. It's been a great day, and hopefully I'll get to do it again with him sometime. That'd be fantastic. But look forward to putting all this footage together and having a bit of a look and see what I can do with it. So anyway, thanks very much for joining me, everybody, and thanks very much again. And he's going to get himself a skin for his drone, and I think he actually might get himself the Mavic 2 Pro before you know it. Look at that, he's fallen in love. Great drones. Anyway, thanks very much. Thanks again, Andy, and we'll see you again on the next trip, buddy.
We will indeed.
Good on you, man.
Good to catch up with you.
Absolutely, mate. Always is, eh? All right, take care all, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.